Hello from the Epcot experience as part of Epcot's International Food and Wine Festival. I am going to try something from the Brew-Wing booth for food and wine. Now the Brew-Wing booth focuses on beer and wings. So as a vegetarian who doesn't drink, you might think I wouldn't be able to find anything. However, this is what I'm going to be trying today. Let's see if we can get them to focus in really quickly. Yeah, there we go. These are the Crispy Brussels Sprouts, and they are in buffalo sauce. And we're gonna see, so even though I am a vegetarian, I'm not a huge fan of vegetables, which I know might sound a little counterintuitive, but I think everybody pretty much knows where I'm coming from there. But Disney always finds a way to make these things good, so let's see what we got. I'm gonna get a nice section right here. Make sure I get a lot of that buffalo sauce. Let's go. Wow. Wow. That is really, really good. It's spicy, but it's not overly spicy. Like, I think most people who've had medium wings could have these. Boy, I am surprised. It's not soggy like, well, they said crispy Brussels sprouts, so I guess we should expect that, but I was still expecting them to kind of be a little soggy and chewy. But they definitely are crispy. Let's try another one. Let's see if that first one was just fool's gold. Okay. This is really good. This tastes like you're having wings, and back when I did eat meat, this tastes almost like I was just having buffalo wings at the bar in my mid-20s. So I definitely recommend this. It's at the Epcot Experience, which is right in, it's what's called, used to be called the Odyssey building, right as you're getting into World Showcase, in between Test Track and the Mexico Pavilion. And I'd recommend these, and if they're vegetarian option, their plant-based option, actually 100% plant-based option, is this good. If you are a meat eater, I can imagine that their wings are really good as well. And if you're a beer drinker, this is a nice way to get out of the heat, have some wings, have some beer on a day at Epcot, let the kids go ride Frozen Ever After or something like that. I'm happy I got this. Yeah, it's just $5, and as I showed you, you get a pretty healthy portion for $5 at Food and Wine. I mean, that's a pretty decent sized basket, so yeah, go for it. The crispy wings, or the crispy Brussels sprouts at Brew-Wing in Epcot.